So for complete transparency, I took off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fasteners. So there was one here, one here, one at the back. I think it was one at the top I left on, and then underneath we had 1, 2, 3, 4 at the back there. But to be honest, I'm convinced I could have done that without taking anything off. So I'll put it back on now and just see if I can still get decent access. I don't think it'll make any difference, but to start with, I was getting access through here, which was fine until I realised I could get my arm down from the top. So if you haven't got 3 arms and they're reasonably long, you should be all right with that, I reckon. Let's see. So if you look down there, there's the pump. I can get my arm in there, and I managed to pull it off. Like that. So you can't really see, but move it to the side. You can. There's the rubber bung there. You just see light shining through it because I already had it off and given it a good clean. So now to clip it back in. Oh, there she goes. So she is clipped back in. So it is possible. Once you've lifted the pump out, that's what it looks like pretty much, and it's just pull the bung out then. And now I'm just going to give it a top up to make sure I have clipped everything back on properly and it's not leaking before I put any. That should be enough for me to test and have a look. Whoa. And hey ho, nothing seems to be leaking. I'll give the pump a shot now as well. Here we go. So these haven't worked for ages. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. Fucking boom. Well, the rear. Let's have a look at the rear. One happy wife.